Welcome to watch today's Fresham. On the northern shoreline of Sydney Harbour, Lavender Bay offers a special place for neighbourly exchange. Perched on the edge of Wendy Whiteley's secret garden, this secluded home is a light-filled reinvention of a long-standing villa, a peaceful retreat with newfound clarity, respectful of its history and precisely tuned to the accomplished artist who resides here. Artist's Retreat embodies an elegant suburban sanctuary, centered around intrinsic flow and ethereal lightness. The desired result was one that was warm, bright, functional, and friendly, with a focus on community, recalls principal architect Georgina Wilson. Guided by the footprint of the existing structure, the architect thoughtfully reimagines the volumes to elevate the living experience. Traditional and contemporary elements coexist through a reductive approach to space and embellishment, creating a refined container for precious objects that reflect the owner's creativity.